Today we will talk about the difference between cognizable and non-cognizable offenses. The term cognizable offense is defined under section 2C of the CRPC and 2G of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, whereas the non-cognizable offense, the definition was given under section 2L of the CRPC and 2 of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. If we go by the definition clause, the difference between the two offenses is made merely on the ground of arrest, because in cognizable offenses arrest can be made without warrant or without the power of the magistrate, whereas in case of non-cognizable offenses arrest cannot be made without the warrant or without further order of the magistrate. But it does not talk about any other difference between cognizable and non-cognizable offenses. But if we read the other provisions of the law, then we come to know that with regard to the lodging of the report also there is a difference. As in case of cognizable offenses, a police lodge the report as FIR, that is first information report, whereas with regard to non-cognizable offenses, no FIR is lodged. Rather, the report is lodged in DDR, that is daily diary report, which is maintained in every police station. Now, the third difference is with regard to the investigation. In case of cognizable offenses, investigation can be started by the police officer without the order of the magistrate, whereas in case of non-cognizable offenses, investigation cannot be made without further order of the magistrate. If the magistrate orders to conduct investigation, only then it is allowed to be conducted, otherwise no investigation is conducted in non-cognizable offenses. Thus, the moment a DDR is reported or a DDR is recorded by the police officer, a copy of it is given to the informant who gives the information of non-cognizable offense, and he is asked to go to the magistrate for the order of investigation. If the magistrate orders investigation in a non-cognizable offense, in that case the whole process of investigation is same as that of the cognizable offense, but the only difference is that while conducting investigation in cognizable offense, arrest can be made without warrant of the magistrate, but while conducting investigation in non-cognizable offense, even then arrest cannot be made without the warrant of the magistrate. These are the major differences between cognizable and non-cognizable offenses. I hope this video helps you a lot, and if there is any doubt, please comment.